The 1975 UK Elizabeth II 10 new pence coin is a remarkable piece of British numismatic history, standing as a symbol of the country's transformation during the era of decimalisation. This coin belongs to the early issues of decimal coinage and carries immense value because of its connection to that transitional period. Collectors around the world recognize the 1975 edition as one of the most meaningful and desirable coins in modern British coinage. The obverse of the coin features the elegant portrait of Queen Elizabeth II by Arnold McKim, a portrait that became one of the most widely used images of the Queen across the Commonwealth. The youthful image of Elizabeth II brings with it dignity, grace, and a sense of continuity. On the reverse side lies the crowned lion, a design that represents Britain's strength, courage, and enduring heritage. These two features together make the 1975 10 new pence both historically and artistically significant. This coin was built during a time when Britain was consolidating its newly introduced decimal system. The 1971 decimalisation had completely changed the monetary framework of the nation, and by 1975, the 10 new pence coin had firmly established itself as a critical part of the economy. Its issue was not just practical but symbolic, as it reminded the people of a modern Britain adapting to change while holding on to tradition. The 1975 10 new pence coin was minted without a mint mark, which increases its authenticity and desirability. Unlike commemorative or special issue pieces, this coin belongs to the main circulation set, yet its historical place and limited survival in top condition have given it value far beyond its original use. Collectors admire such coins because they tell the story of a nation's progress. Demand for this coin is surprisingly strong among serious collectors. Many people from across the globe look to add it to their collection because it reflects not just British history but also a universal story of change and growth. The number of interested buyers for the 1975 10 new pence coin continues to rise, especially for high-grade specimens that retain their brilliance and sharpness of detail. The current market for this coin reflects that demand. A well-preserved example can today fetch up to $7,500 in auctions and private sales. This is an extraordinary increase when one considers its original face value. It demonstrates how time, rarity, and historical importance can elevate a simple piece of currency into a valuable treasure. Some people may wonder if the value of this coin is truly high. The answer lies in its consistent appreciation over the decades. Coins like the 1975 10 new pence have already proven their worth by steadily climbing in value, and experts believe this growth is far from over. Its high value is justified because the coin combines rarity, cultural symbolism, and an enduring story of national change. As for its future, the potential for growth is significant. The supply of pristine coins from 1975 will only decline with time, while the number of collectors and investors continues to increase. This imbalance of supply and demand ensures that the value of this coin will not only remain high but could also rise to even greater heights in the coming years. There is every reason to believe that in the future this coin could reach prices of $9,000 or even $10,000. This makes the 1975 10 new pence not only a historical collectible but also a smart investment. People who acquire it now are likely to see its value multiply as it becomes rarer and more sought after. The coin's beauty also adds to its appeal. The crowned lion is a design admired for its power and regal presence, while Queen Elizabeth's portrait is a reminder of the monarchy's stability during times of great change. These artistic elements transform the coin into more than just money. It becomes a work of art, treasured for its beauty as much as for its value. The emotional connection many collectors feel toward this coin cannot be overlooked. For some, it represents the early days of decimalisation, a moment when they first encountered a new system of counting money. For others, it is a link to the reign of Queen Elizabeth II, a reign marked by longevity and dedication. These connections add personal value that goes beyond the financial. International interest is another key driver of its value. Collectors from the United States, Europe, Asia, and beyond are eager to acquire British coins that played a role in such an important historical shift. The 1975 10 new pence fits perfectly into that narrative, ensuring its desirability on a global stage. Because of this global appeal, many people want to buy it. It is not unusual to find multiple bidders competing for a single high-grade coin at auctions, pushing the price higher each time. This healthy competition shows that demand remains strong and that the coin's value is recognized by collectors everywhere. In terms of numbers, while millions were originally minted, very few have survived in the type of condition collectors desire. This rarity is what sets the 1975 coin apart. Everyday circulation coins may be common, but pristine coins, stored carefully and preserved over decades, are treasures that command impressive sums. The coin also holds educational value, teaching new generations about the decimalization process and the history of the monarchy. Each piece serves as a tangible reminder of Britain's transition into the modern age. This educational aspect further cements its value in the eyes of historians, teachers, and students alike. Another factor that contributes to its importance is the enduring popularity of Queen Elizabeth II coins. Coins bearing her portrait are collected worldwide, and the 1975 10 new pence stands among the most respected in that category. Its strong connection to her reign ensures ongoing interest and respect. Even today, people who hold this coin in their collections often speak about the pride of ownership. It is not just about the money, it is about holding a piece of history that symbolizes strength, progress, and continuity. That pride keeps the demand alive, year after year. In auction houses and private sales, the coin's reputation continues to grow. Stories of high sales figures inspire other collectors to seek it out, which in turn strengthens its market value even more. It has become one of those coins whose reputation alone fuels its rising price. The 1975 UK Elizabeth II 10 new pence coin is a shining example of how history, artistry, and rarity converge to create lasting value. With current prices reaching up to $7,500 and the potential to climb as high as $10,000 in the future, it remains a powerful investment and a treasured collectible. Its legacy will only grow with time, ensuring that those who own it today will be remembered as the keepers of a coin that symbolized one of the most important chapters in British monetary history. This makes it more than valuable, it makes it extraordinary.